Hey, and welcome to Made Simple. And today we will be learning about how to make a grilled cheese simply. So to start, you'll need to look around your kitchen and find the following ingredients: sliced bread, cheese, salt and pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Now I know all of you are itching to get to the actual cooking and to actually start cooking. But to start, you need to turn your burner to medium-high to heat. And while we wait for that to heat up, butter your pan. The amount of butter is to your taste. Now get 2 pieces of bread and place them in your pan and try and collect your butter in the bread. Then turn down your burner to medium and wait a few minutes, checking back periodically on your bread for toastiness. Now in this video I'm using sweet bread and a cheese mix from my local Costco. I wanted to make a note that you don't need these exact brands or types of product. You can use whatever bread or cheese you have on hand. It's up to personal preference. I here have a cast iron pan, a plate, a butter knife, and I will be using an electric stove. You can use whatever you're comfortable with and what you have. Now when your bread is toasted to a good amount, again personal preference, take them off the burner and onto your plate. Then take one of the pieces of bread and place it toasted side up. Now get a handful of your cheese and put it in the middle of your slice of bread. And carefully spread the cheese out evenly while being careful not to push our cheese or fingers onto the hot pan. Wouldn't want to burn either you or the cheese, would we? For the next step, we get to all our spices: salt, pepper, onion, and garlic powder. Sprinkle a little bit of all of them evenly throughout the cheese. Other people put the spices on the outside, but if you put it on the inside of the cheese, it's more flavorful and makes less of a mess on the pan and in the table. Now, keep in mind that when you're putting the cheese, it will melt and become lesser, so maybe put 25 to 30% more cheese than you think is okay. Once your spices are inside the cheese, you need to take your other slice of bread and place it gently on top of the cheese with the toasted side down towards the pan. Then wait a few seconds and then carefully flip your sandwich over in the pan. The bottom slice should have toasted on the bottom by now, but if it burnt, don't panic, because we can fix it later. Now lastly, you let the bottom toast as much or as little as you like. Then take it out of the pan and place it on your plate. Typically, I enjoy mine cut in half triangles, but you can enjoy it whole or cut. Now for those of you who burnt one or both sides of your cheese, do not panic. The cheese is very forgiving. What we do is you take our bread to the sink or trash can and use our butter knife to scrape off the burnt bits. You should be left with almost not burnt grilled cheese. So congratulations! You just made a grilled cheese sandwich. I hope you enjoyed making it, and I hope you enjoy eating it just as much. This has been Made Simple, and I hope you have a great day. Okay, honestly, while recording the voiceovers for this video, there were a couple bloopers I thought were funny, so I would include them at the end of the video. I hope you enjoy. Now get burner to medium and wait a few minutes, checking back periodically on your toast for bread. Other people put the sliced spices on the outside.